What you're seeing here is the candlestick chart of an option. So this is a 5-minute chart of a single day, that is the 22nd of February 2024. So you can see that the option has opened somewhere around 30, and as the day passed by, it slowly trickled into non-existence. You can see that at one point of time the price was even 1 rupee 37 paise. But what suddenly happened at 2:20, there was a sudden surge, and in the next half an hour the price peaked to almost 80 and closed at 67 rupees 50 paise by the end of the day. So this is called a gamma explosion. It was the day of expiry for this particular option, and if somebody had shorted this particular option, they would have probably shit their pants by now.